Okay, you are Rasmi Rekha. Can you tell me, Rasmi, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now you are audible.
Okay, so can you tell me the significance of your name? Rasmi Rekha.
Okay, sir.
What is the meaning?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, Rosmi means the ray of the sun, and yes, sir. And like that, sir, like that ray, sir, I also bring a ray of happiness, ray of means sir, knowledge to my family and my
So are you
village.
quite confident? Are you quite confident that you provide a ray of hope and a ray of aspiration, ray of happiness and delightfulness to your family member to justify your name in family?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, Rasmi. What I came to know by seeing your biodata is that you have done degree in computer science, but you have opted sociology and psychology in OS examination. Why?
Yes, sir.
Why? Why you have opted sociology and psychology in your but as optional in OS exam?
Yes, sir. Sir, I thought that, sir, sociology and psychology, if I will take, then it will help me in this job. And sociology is the study of the human, means study of the society or community. By studying the sociology, I can able to understand different type of a societal problem and issue. And by study of psychology also, I can able to understand the mindset, their interest, their the people, their motivation, that type of thing I can able to know, and it will help me in administrative to the people and to serve the people, sir. That's why, sir, I choose this two optional.
Okay, very good. Rasmi, there is a saying in India that behind the success of a man, there is role of a woman. I'm repeating again. Behind the success of a man, there is role of a woman. That means woman has the ability, capacity, and potential to bring success to man. Considering the above view, do you think continuation of women's empowerment project in the country is necessary and justified?
Yes, sir. India is a country, sir, in which women should treated both as the deity, like a deity of the goddess, and at the same time also crucified by the male-dominant society. And sir, yes, sir, you are right. Every success of a man, there is a woman behind him, and at the same time, sir. Women facing different type of difficulties to become equal with the men of the society, because our society is patriarchal, and men member of the society, they try to dominate over the interest of the women section of the society. And that's why, sir, all section of the women, they can't upgrade themselves with the male dominant society. So for them, sir, those who are lacking behind the mainstream of the society, for them this type of women empowerment should be required, sir.
Okay, Rasmi, but do you mean by the difference between feminist movement and a women's movement? What is the difference between a feminist movement and a women's movement? Can you tell me?
Sir, feminist movements are for the development of the development, or for the bring equal right to the women with the male of the society. And women movements, sir, both are, sir, their interest is same, sir. But
okay, objective is same. What is then the meaning of feminism? What is then
sir,
is the meaning of feminism?
Sir, feminism is a concept in which we can give the equal right to women, and to provide that type of all facility by which they can be stand as per as the male section of the society, sir.
Okay, what is ecofeminism? What is
Sorry, sir?
ecofeminism? What is eco? E-C-O, ecofeminism.
So, sorry, sir, I am not aware about this term.
Okay. What is black feminism? Any idea related to black feminism you are having?
Sir, no idea, but can I guess if you permit me, sir?
Why to guess? If you don't have any idea, why to guess? If you have
Sorry,
complete
sir.
idea, you should just tell the answer with sense of confidence. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Rasmi, suppose we selected you
Yes, sir.
in this exam and you got OS proper. With
Yes,
the
sir.
passage of time, after some years, you got promoted to the post of collector.
Okay, sir.
And right now you are posted as a district collector in Mayurbhanj district. Being the collector of
Yes.
Mayurbhanj district, what measure will you take in the matter of reducing the dropout rate of the tribal girl children in primary schools of Mayurbhanj district? You are the collector of Mayurbhanj district, and as you know the fact that the dropout rate of the tribal girl children in Mayurbhanj district is very high. Being the collector, what step will you take to reduce the dropout rate of the girl children in primary schools of Mayurbhanj district?
Yes, sir. You are right. Actually, sir, the means enrollment ratio and the sustainability in the school, it is a very big issue, sir. And sir, as a collector, sir, I will try to give that type of much information about the benefit of the education. And in rural areas, sir, the people they don't think to give proper education to girl child because they think that, sir, after getting age of the girl child, they will give marriage to the girl child, and what will be the result of education, and they think that the daughter is the means the property of another family. Then why they will take that type of means proper give the proper advantages to the girl child. And in this regard, I will convince to the family and community intervention I will do, and try to understand the benefit of the education. And if you will give education to the girl child, then she can be able to fight any type of means issue regarding sir, any type of issue which he has to face in the future by her husband house. And she can be able to employment herself, and she can also take care of you, sir. This type of community intervention, and try to motivate to send the girl child. And also,
okay, Rasmi Rekha, you are from Keonjhar district. You know, Keonjhar is the area of mines and minerals. But Keonjhar is not a very developed district of Odisha. What are the main reasons of backwardness of Keonjhar district?
Sir, in Keonjhar district, sir, many type of minerals are there. But sir, these minerals are just exported to outside the state or outside the nation. And those mineral, if we able to manufacture those mineral in that particular area, then the employment generation can be done, and the periphery of that mining area, the people can be engaged and can find employment there, and they can be able to upgrade their livelihoods, sir, due to lack of manufacturing activities.
There is a saying that Odisha is a rich country, but Odias are poor. I'm repeating, Odisha is a rich state and Odias are poor. Can you
Yes, sir.
suggest some measures how to make the poverty-stricken Odia people rich in the rich state of Odisha?
Sir, sir, Odisha is full of the mineral resources, and the same time also it is a very big tourist place. And if we can, sir, that we can bring that type of measures by which we can attract the private company to invest in our region and to develop their plants in our mineral area. By which we can, sir, we can that type of we can arrange that type of employment in the people, and in developing the tourist sector, sir, we can develop that type of tourism industry in Odisha, and we can improve through this.
Okay, Rasmirekha. There is a growing demand on the present political establishment of our country in the matter of rewriting the history of India. What is your personal view on it? Should history of India be rewritten or not?
Sir, history of India already is written, and if we have
we are asking you rewriting the history of India. Do you think is there any necessity of rewriting the history of India?
Sir, somehow it is necessity because sir, Hindu that type of king, they are also doing much more things, but they are not detailedly written in the history. And that's why, sir, whatever written, we should properly, sir, investigated that those are actually reliable things or not, or any type of added should be needed. Then, sir, according to proper investigation or proper data, we should rewrite our history. Then it will be good for us, sir.
Okay, Rasmirekha, as you told that certain Hindu kings and emperors have not been given significance in the history of medieval India, particularly what you could not mention. That's
Yes,
the
sir.
whole and sole reason why history of India should be rewritten. What is your personal stand that you said? So in this context, can you tell us what is the basic difference between Hindu nationalism and a nationalist Hindu? A Hindu nationalist versus a nationalist Hindu. Can you tell me the difference?
Sir, Hindu nationalism means, sir, our that type of nationalist means. So sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay.
Can't able to.
Yeah, okay,
Yes,
it's all right. Can you tell us the distinction between nationalism and patriotism? Nationalism and patriotism, is there any difference? Do you think so?
Sir, I think, sir, both are same. Sir, I have
No,
to
both
read.
are not same. There is a huge difference. Okay, it's all right. Okay, you are a girl.
Yes,
And
sir.
if you are not selected as an OS officer, then what will be your reaction? What you will do?
Sir, in life, success and failure are the both are our part in our life, sir. And if we are facing that failure, then we should focus the what type of demerit in this. Sorry, sir. What type of means problem was lacking? That's why I become failure, and I should rectify that problem, and then, sir, proceed again, and I will fight for again, sir.
Okay, Rasmirekha, can you tell me the basic difference between Marxian concept of a class and Weberian concept of class? Because you are a student of sociology, you have opted sociology as one of your optional in OS exam. Marx views on class and Weber's views on class.
Sir, Sir, class is a aggregation of the people, those who are doing the same function for the benefit of the society.
Who said it?
Sir,
Who said it? Class is an aggregate of people.
Max Weber. Sir,
For
Max Weber.
benefit
Sir.
of society. He said for benefit of society.
Yes, sir. Benefit of society, sir, said by the Max Weber, sir. And
Okay. And what Weber said?
Sir, Max Weber, sir.
Max
Sir,
Weber.
Karl Marx. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Karl Marx sir said class is formed for the fight for their rights, sir, against the.
No. You are absolutely wrong in this context. You are just confusing the things. You are mingling the things with each other. Okay, we are giving 30 seconds to rethink the difference between Marxian views on class and Weberian views on class. 30 seconds we are allowing it. Just think, you know, exactly the idea is not coming to your mind at the spur of the moment.
So sorry, sir. I have to read, and after that I will speak true things. Means I don't want to guess.
Okay. Yeah, you see, Rasmi Rekha, can you tell me when you are from Keonjhar, when
Yes, sir.
that Ma Tarini temple was constructed, and what is the significance of Ma Tarini temple?
Yes, sir. So Ma Tarini temple constructed in the 15th century, sir. And the value of the Ma Tarini means people they are believing a lot, and they also get their result according to their sir, what do you say, Monoskamana jo kuhandi, sir. And they get their results, sir. And that's why the Ma Tarini famous in the world. So many.
Very good. Rasmi Rekha, what do you mean by marital rape?
Marital. Yes, sir. Marital rape, sir. After marrying a partner, if is not agree with the sexual relationship at that time, if the other partner is forced to do, then we can say that's marital rape.
Very good. Absolutely right. What is the view of Indian Parliament with respect to marital rape?
Sir, marital rape, sir, recently in, I don't remember exactly the High Court name, sir, but recently verdict was there like if a marital partner forced to keep the relationship, then it will not.
No, Rasmi, we are not asking you the judgment of the court. We are asking you the fundamental question. What is the view of Indian Parliament with respect to marital rape? Does Indian Parliament give recognition to marital rape, or the Indian Parliament does not recognize?
Yes, sir, does not recognize. Yes, sir. Okay. It is against the right of a partner or right of a man, sir. That's why, sir. It is not recognized yet, sir.
Not recognized, huh? Yeah. Yes. Okay. Rasmi Rekha, can you tell us the basic difference between terrorism and insurgency? Terrorism and insurgency.
Yes, sir. So terrorism, sir, is a concept in which the people they are just doing that type of terror activities against the government, sir. And sir, insurgency means, sir, they are just doing that type of pressure, or they are doing that type of things to put pressure on the government to.
But they are not using violence. Insurgents groups are not using violence. They are not terrorizing the government of their own country. JKLF, Jammu Kashmir Liberation Front, is it a terrorist group or is it an insurgent group?
Sir, insurgent group, sir.
Okay, does not JKLF use terror by using the local people?
Sir, they are doing that type of terrorist things, but sir, in a little manner, the broader sense of
No,
insurgency,
you
you
are
can
lacking
say.
clarity. You are lacking clarity regarding the distinction between terrorism and insurgency. Okay.
Sorry, sir, I have to read it.
Okay. Rashmi Rekha, what do you mean by trade war?
Sir, trade war means, sir, during doing the trade, that type. Sir, in the trade matter, sir, when they are competing to each other, each country, they try
In
to dominate.
just we are intervening in international level today. There is a trade war taking place between two big countries. Can you tell us the name of the countries?
USA and sir, China.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So then what is the meaning of that trade war?
Sir, trade wars, sir, they are imposing that type of import tariff big very much. That's why other country cannot put or cannot export that product to the other countries, sir.
Very good. Very good. Rashmi Rekha, what do you mean by Talibanization of Afghanistan?
Sorry, sir.
Talibanization. We are repeating the question again.
Yes,
Talibanization of Afghanistan.
Sir, Talibanization, sir, the now Taliban group, they are taking the government, means they are taking the government position in the Afghanistan, and that government is known as a Talibanization of the Afghanistan. They just withdraw that type of democratic rule of the governance, and they took that governance power to their hand, and they are forcing to that type of their, sir, sorry, sir,
okay,
they try
right.
to impose their own laws.
Yeah, you are right. What is the stand of government of India with respect to Talibanization of Afghanistan? Has Indian government recognized the Talibanization of Afghanistan?
No, sir. Yet India has not recognized the Talibanization of the government. But sir, India is ready to provide that type of humanitarian help to the citizen of the Afghanistan. And due to, yes, sir.
Okay, Rasmi, you know, India government could not and did not recognize the Talibanization of Afghanistan, but Taliban people are in power. Government of India has made a huge investment in matter of pipeline, in matter of even infrastructure project in Taliban, including also the parliament of Taliban. India government has huge investment. And if the present establishment, that is Taliban establishment in Afghanistan, is not recognized by government of India, will it not affect the interest of India? Why India is not accepting, recognizing it?
Sir, definitely, sir. It will hamper to our national interest. And if we are not ready to establish the proper bilateral relationship with the Taliban, then, sir, Taliban maybe use that Afghanistan as a terror ground for against the India, so that India also recognize to Taliban and should keep proper relationship with the Taliban government for the national interest, sir.
Okay. Who is Sigmund Freud? You have opted psychology as one of your optional. Who is Sigmund Freud?
So Sigmund Freud was a very prominent psychologist, sir.
Okay. What is his contribution related to the growth of complexes during the adolescent stage of human being's life?
Yes, sir. He has contributed very much clarification about the growth of the personality. From the childhood to the adolescence, a child faces different type of phases, and in in phallic stage, sir, the child faces, means male child faces the Electra complex, and female child faces the Oedipus complex, sir.
Female is Oedipus, male is Electra. Are you correct?
Sorry, sir. Sir, female is sir Electra complex and boys are Oedipus.
Right, right.
Okay.
Can you tell us the difference between culture and civilization?
Sir, culture is the collection of all type of our behavior, our costume, our believing, all type of way of living, sir, of the people. And civilization, sir, sir, exactly, it is a process by which we can civilize the people.
What
Means
is
to
how to civilize?
Sir,
Civilize.
to teach them in a particular way. That's why they can obey, they can follow the proper rule regulation of the society, sir.
No, you are not correct.
Sorry, sir.
Wrong, Rasmi. Rasmi, asking you the last question.
Thank you.
Can you tell us the difference between fertility and fecundity? Fertility and fecundity.
Sir, I know, sir, fertility. I'm not aware about that.
Fecundity.
Fecundity.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, Rasmi. Wish you all the best. Thank you for attending the interview.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.